We are exploring signalling with NetNumber. Now, Alberto, tell me a little bit more about your position and what you do with NetNumber.
Well, thank you. What we do at NetNumber is basically trying to simplify anything and everything that has to do with signaling in the core networks. So we work with legacy signaling worlds like SS7. We do work with the current signaling worlds like the ones on SIP and IMS, and we work with the future ones, which are the ones like Diameter. And what we do is we have a single platform on top of which we can deploy all that mess that comes with all these three different signaling worlds. We simplify all that, and what we can do is deploy a single core for a dedicated function, like for instance, one of the IoT verticals for one of the IoT industries, let's say healthcare. You can deploy a core in a single node, with which basically you have a far shorter time to market to deploy that core and a far lower cost to run it and to deploy it.
So essentially you're simplifying the service for your clients.
Yeah, we are simplifying the service. We're simplifying as I was saying, the actual core network. We are reducing the amount of signaling that is required to run that network. And we are simplifying as well the operations for the network itself.
That's great. Tell me about the clients that you have and how your service has benefited them as well.
Mm-hmm. We are a US-based company, and as such, our first customers were US-based as well. We've got the likes of Verizon there and many of the cable operators here in Europe, and particularly here in the UK. We do have Vodafone as one of our largest customers. We've got deployments with them all around the world. We've got British Telecom as well as one of our biggest customers, with Titan, our product, being deployed there for more than 8 years now, being live. And they all seem to truly embrace the concept of simplifying networks. So normally we deploy Titan for one function within the network, and that one function keeps on expanding and aggregating some of the other existing functions in their respective networks.
So where did NetNumber go from here? What's next in your journey?
What's next in our journey? The next is, as I was saying, quite possibly getting into these new spaces like the Internet of Things, where we can provide a dramatic different view on simple core networks. As I was saying before, dedicated ones for just one very purpose or one use case. And as well, one of our biggest expansion areas now is security, network security. So we have developed this application, which is what we call SS7 Firewall, which is being deployed as we speak by Vodafone, and it is in very high demand. Because basically what operators have realized is that they've got a big security gap in their networks, which is precisely the old legacy ones. Those networks were not thought for security problems, so there's no authentication there, and hence that's an open door for any bad guys to jump in to their existing networks.
That's really interesting. Thank you so much for your insight and for your time, Alberto. Cheers.
Thank you very much.